Hello everyone. Welcome to the course Foundations of Artificial Intelligence, Actions Under Uncertainty. Uncertainty, a state with limited knowledge and leads to poor decision-making ability. Let it be politics, global weather, autonomous driving, or medical diagnosis. Everywhere, we have uncertainty, and it only gets worse when time is added to it. The question is, how can we make the right decision or a rational decision amidst this uncertainty? That is real intelligence. We are coming to a phase in artificial intelligence where we are trying to build agents which have the ability to make the right decision under the presence of uncertainty. During this course, we will define uncertainty and the reason for uncertainty and its source, and how to recognize the extent of uncertainty. Then, we will try to understand the only method that quantifies uncertainty, that is probability. We will look into the probability concepts required to represent uncertainty. Then, we will work with conditional probability and the concepts of independence and conditional independence. This will lead us to one of the most important foundations of artificial intelligence, Bayes' theorem. We will have a look at how can this small theorem represent uncertainty. Then we will work on graphical representation of uncertainty. That's the Bayesian Networks. We will look into the process of building a Bayesian network and inferring from it. Then we will add time as a parameter to uncertainty. To be more precise, we will see how decision making changes while handling problems where the outcome changes with time. Here, we will work on Markov property and Markov chains. Then we will work on hidden Markov model, which is quintessential while working with sensor models because sensors are uncertain. Overall, this is going to be a great ride, delving into the world filled with uncertainty.